Money is the part of life. Again, I repeat this word. Money is the part of life. Part. Money is not everything. Money is the part of our life. In this time, all people think money is the everything. Possible by money everything. It is not true. This is in your powers. It is the one power. Is the money. Is the money. Only one power. But I don't know any other power. Power I born. Parents teach to power money. Money. School teach to power money. Society teach to power money. University teach to power money. They don't teach. I have some different type of power inside. I have some different type of intuition who is the more powerful than money. I never say money is the bad. I say money minded is the bad. Now you see the all over world 95 to 98% people is the only thinking for money and sex, no anything. They have a mind only money and sex. This is not our life. This is the one part of energy in our beautiful soul, beautiful body, beautiful mind. Only one part of energy. I don't know any different powers already available for this temple. I don't know any other power who is available in this universe. I am make my life by childhood just money and sex, nothing more. And our life kill the self because this energy. Money is the part of life. Money is good for respect. Money is thank for the life. They give our clothes, food, physical balancing. They give to balance our temple, home. Money is not bad. I never say money is the bad. Money is respected because also it is the part of energy, but try to understand. When I have no trust, I have no money. When I have a trust, I am rich. I have money. Thank for money. How much you have, you are thankful, money is come. Again I repeat, law of attraction. I am thankful for what I have, money is come. But whole life, always I am telling, I have no money. I need money. I have no money. No respect, no satisfaction, and indirectly you broke to way come to money. When you are thankful for anyone, other people thankful for you. When you are thankful for power, power is come. But you blaming the power, power is never come. How much you have money, how much you have this power, you say thank you God. And you say thank you for self, I have this money power. money self come because you give the respect. It is very deep psychology and very strong law of attraction. You attract the any power when you are thankful, grateful, and when you are lose this energy means you are not thankful and grateful for this type of any powers. How much God give you, what God give you, how much you have money, you are thankful and thankful. God, you give me more this energy. And when you have a trust, God continuous give you more and more money is come. When you have no trust, you are worry, you are tension, too much tension in mind because money. You are too much tension on body because money. Money is blocked to come because you are blocking all doors, because you are blocking all open channels to come this energy inside for you. When you are thankful, when you are happy, door is opens and automatically this source is come for self inside. This is very important. Anybody want gain more and more money, thank for the money and trust money around him. Money around her. They trust. They have everything and thankful for grateful energy automatically start to give. It is very strong thinking process to earn the money without tension. And when you are tense for money, use the negative vibration, money is gone. And which money is come, you are not living and satisfied by this money, which one come by negative way, by tension. They don't give you satisfaction. You want more and more and your life is gone for this money. You need thankful, grateful, money is come. Money is the part of life. Money given the balancing our temple. And when you need this energy, they self come to you because always you are thankful for this. And also always remember, your power use the right way. Always money use the right way, money is more come. When you are using money is wrong way, money is gone. Because you don't give the respect for this energy. Energy, any energy, need is respect. In Hindu religion, say money is the goddess. Goddess Lakshmi means need to respect and thankful for this mother goddess. They give you food, clothes, home, all physical things. When I am thankful for this energy, I gain more and more. When I am say negative, I lose all my money. Then best way earn the money, best way gain the money power, always what you have, thankful for money, thankful for this energy, you gain more and more.